investors. In this video, let's see how to make a mini computer. So a mini computer, that means we are going to upgrade the productivity of one device to get another device. So that will mean we are going to work on tasks that are beyond one device's limitations. So productivity, I have a phone and a tablet and a computer right here. So between the phone and the computer there is what we call a hybrid, and that is a tablet. Yes, this is an Alcatel Pixie 3, an 8-inch tablet. So it is going to be a hybrid between our phone and computer here. But first, let me try to do some productivity work on this phone and see. So I need to have an OTG to transfer an image from the flash or document from the flash to the phone. And boom, nothing happens. Nothing is happening. We need to do some productivity work. Nothing is happening. So all you have to do is to set up a mini computer. So let's jump to this in-between device. Flash with an OTG. When we insert, so the device is preparing USB storage. You want to change the default write disk? Oh, okay, no. So opening file manager. So we have the external storage right here. So we can transfer whatever we need, either from the tablet to the external storage. So it works very well with multitasking. So capabilities are enhanced. So browsing the files, we have the external USB storage. We have some folders here, SolidWorks tutorials. We have pics, opening pics. We have some images right in here. So that is an image, and that was a thumbnail to one of my YouTube videos. Your internet speed is that. So as you can see, productivity is enhanced. So I can be able to transfer files from the tablet right to the storage device, which is a flash. So setting up a mini computer is just easy. I bought all these beginning from the mobile phone to show that you can increase your productivity by making a mini computer just only using one device, that is a tablet. So if you don't have a tablet, you have to purchase yourself one, because there are a lot of cheap tablets out there. So let's get started with setting up a mini computer. But first, let me go ahead and notify you that if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Set it to all notifications. Don't forget to subscribe if you're a new visitor to this channel, and keep subscribed. Keep watching most of my videos. They are cool, they are productive. You learn new things you didn't know. So first step to set up a mini PC, we're going to work with Android. So if you have an Android tablet, make sure you make use of it. So requirements, we are going to use an operating system which is Android, a Linux based software operating system. So we are going to mimic the Chromebooks. Chromebooks are new 2-in-1s, hybrid PCs. They act like both tablets and computers. So we are going to use a tablet with an OTG function embedded within its hardware. So an OTG will be enabling us to transfer power from this tablet right to the phone, anything we want to drive. So we shall connect it here and we'll be able to get content on the tablet. Let me show you a good example. If you want to charge your phone, so all you need is to connect the OTG and then get a USB drive, a micro USB drive. So when you connect it to your tablet, so this will be able to charge our device. So it will be able to charge, as you can see. Choose an app for the USB device, camera importer or gallery. So we can read content from our phone here, that is the Windows Phone, as it is charging. So if you'd like to charge your device, you can use the tablet to charge your device. That's a nice trick if you didn't know about it. So let's set up our device here. So first you will connect the OTG cable. So after connecting the computer, you may connect any device you want. Let me say you want to connect a flash. So for a flash, it is very easy. You just mount it to open. I've already done that. So for a mouse, same process. It is the same process. So when you connect, as you can see, it is lighting. So this is our cursor here. It is working very normally, as you can see. It's fluid, very small, no drop of frames, sorry, so no loss of frames. The tablet is working as you'd expect with a touch interface. So apps are just opening. So that is all with the flash and with the mouse. So if you want to connect a keyboard, so that will mean you have two USB ports. These are male and this is one female. So all you need is to get a hub. So in my case, I'm using a Nexpro Amlocker USB Slim hub. This is it. So go ahead and mount it. And then join the first device. I've just connected my mouse and then connect the keyboard, so that will be able to activate each and everything ready within this tablet. So I've already set up my workspace. As you can see, the keyboard is working. Now pressing the caps lock buttons. So pressing anything will activate the navigation keys, as you can see, and the mouse works just like as if you're using a Chromebook or mini computer. So let me go ahead and enter into a small quiz. Whoever knows when this channel just started, post the answer right in the comment. The first 5 people will receive a big reward. So make sure you be among the first people to comment the answer when this channel just began. If you're familiar, so if you're not sure, you can consult, check over the internet and so on, but the first 5 people, a big reward awaits. So this is our mini computer, mini PC. It is very comfortable. So if you're using wireless connectivity like Bluetooth, Bluetooth would be a better option since you don't require a hub, no OTG, no connection of these confiscated lines. So if you're using a Bluetooth mouse with a keyboard mouse, that would be a better option. But as for now, this is the basis for setting up a mini computer. So feel free to go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and if you're subscribed, thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for keeping up to this moment in this video. So give it a thumbs up, comment if you'd like, and share to friends so that they can also maximize their devices. So this is a hybrid between a phone and computer. So this device is actually underpowered because it can run a hard drive. So it could run a hard drive. I have my hard drive here, but when you connect it, so this tablet is underpowered. It has 1 GB of RAM with a little space, so it can't run. And by the way, the hardware is not that powerful to do a lot of tasks, power consuming tasks. So you can hear the hard disk is rotating because power is being supplied, but nothing appears. Just when you unplug it, a notification may appear, device has been connected, but nonetheless you can get better tablet options, tablet alternatives like the Galaxy Tabs and also the iPads with their designed folio cases with keyboards. So a lot of Huawei tablets and also Amazon tablets. So make sure you give it a like. Thank you for watching this video until this moment. So see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. May God keep you safely. Bye bye.